Alright guys, so I would say let's get started.
They will be met with fire, fury, and frankly power, the likes of which this world has never seen before.
First, let me show you what tools you need. Obviously you're gonna need a ratchet, a little short extension, and a number 13 for the nuts.
These nuts? Got him!
Okay, that number 13 is for the rear header, the front header. They all have nuts. This is a aftermarket exhaust, so the bolts are obviously different. And then take a swivel mount. I mean, you barely have any clearance in that area, so you gotta improvise a little bit. You can buy like these low profile thingies. However, I have a swivel mount. I already actually got one off, loosen up the other one, and then we will have to do the front. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do now is let's put the extension on here, swivel, and then the 13. Let's see if we can get underneath. There it is. Oh man, this is like a pain in the ass right here. I can just unscrew it. Okay, see, I got one here, one there. Let's move over to the front now. Now this is gonna be also a pain in the, you know what. So let's see if we can get there somehow. Probably have to take off the This is going to be a pain. Nah, this won't work. I think I gotta get an AC here for my freaking garage. It's so hot in here. I'm sweating my balls off right now. Is this in use already? Oh yeah. Let's go to the next one, which sits down there. Let's try it this way. It's not gonna work. Let's try it this way. Get in there. Oh no, I got stuck here. Really? What the fuck?
You're fired.
Are you fucking serious? Alright guys, so I was able to get my ratchet in there, and I loosened up the bolt. So let's take off the exhaust. Let's take off the last nut.
These nuts?
And let's take off the exhaust. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. Mayhem Hacker Exhaust 2-in-1. I mean, loudest freaking Scout exhaust that you can have, for sure. Hey guys, so this was basically the how-to on how to remove your exhaust on the Indian Scout or Indian Scout 60. I just got a call from the new owner of the bike. He's on his way to pick it up, so I had to put the stock exhaust back on quickly before he gets here, so everything is ready, wipe the bike down and all that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below, and if you want to buy that Mayhem Hacker exhaust, I'm gonna post a link down in the description of a sound test basically of the pipe, and it will be for sale. So stay tuned. It's your boy GD Warrior.
You're fired. 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 You're fired.